Ebusiafo wamayenzi da munkomo infa Twins Diaries won ho na se enyim Twins Diaries a me ya share enyim ba ya adwende nkofu ye mbrente bi anko there Ghana banimpo no obo wana abawdo. And then I'm doing this video in relation to Konogo Twins CBA Twins Diaries wokoye wanambo a CCA wo yi wan bonyaye. And asamini yamario when Mankasa Parko Rich menye Twins Diaries mizuwa nechima wokoye irabe bisumbo a baby owie no ya roho. But at the end of the day, they decided not to talk about it because people would even stop helping these poor people. Asamini na anye de mami bi wo oye TikTok ha ne account a o use no wo friend Yesu ma 593 another baby dam na ohun Twins Diaries there wo dwumeza a wo yen oboa humanity nti ina maame bi abatena ne ncha na maamen owo ba a owantafo a ne twins sebi wo susu a but maame no wo ho wanchare na maame no wi nti na akoye de why orphans na mami wa betna ifie we or TikTok in nchan na ifie we Fred Twins Diaries there mbrantie ye wodam situation ni wa hantafo bi wo ha wa hwere wo mami nti da mamoye no mombra na mombeye wana mboa na Twins Diaries wo fitamali ton na wo ye project bi o wo ba oye Konogo de wore ba aboboa na wobe wobohwe situation or there where your videos na what to out na what share wo followers there one support interfree. I mean, it was a fruitful project to the extent that were to raise 40,000 Ghana cedis within a short time, which is bare 400 million. And now what's a ma or ye mami? What's also what's a nyama? I mean, Twins Diaries oban nyama and kofu donate mo when I been always screening it. What's required there were a kejo biawar or ye fell or ya kono and you will be touched. In Brentia ye the mazin now was a moment. I mean, some few months later, na mamia started accusing Brentia day. What's a from man boy imagine a videos what's a pesca. Emma was the skinny bin with the sedan. Mammy, Mimbi so na Twins Diary was started a mazin na wara wahen. They have supported countless of twins across the world. Means akweshi sama she mama ka se mincho. Erabe bia no what twins enwa. Benyini bi na onye no we na benyini gwan. Twins Diaries step in. They took care of this girl. Were rented dana man. Wasanso siesiem wo yenum fine wo boy table store man warrior bibia na chi no wasanso kai again family planning because she was 17 years and she already had like 4 kids so said why family planning ni wie ya na ex boy no ogwan or started or feature or baby girl or didn't put your baby. Yes, and the girl started misbehaving. Because why and family planning bulletproof sisi spam si bia enyo oboko no mo be yin saninti odzi no rough store no so a wo boe ma na odzi no munyama yin na ogun da mensami na Twins Diary wamba out wamba kasa. And this woman is going out there denting the hard reputation of these guys if you man can see minimum one. I know them and I know what they have done for the country Ghana na amanfo into aya me ya wo there obi page na social media no bogu hwanenyi masedam. Officially, what they let about to out today, they have stopped and washed their hands of these twins. And you see, aboyafuna bunyanya fubidaman were saying from be wunshira na wadachi. And people like me will tell them in the face, I won't sit down. That mommy, it's any beyifu and it's any beyifu de otu keke. E bazen I shusha wiyase. To the extent that nankasa we could be TikTok handle only been order session. Sikaza mambo from be because embo from my one and nanankasan otsenanchan. Nusu auntie baby. Onyim phone him into woman why you know gangalia. Ofilo Twins Diaries are making money off this case. Now she has also commercialized and made it an industry. Na demo breya wala luboya idzi gumrente wenyi masi. It's a judgment day. Nyame dza wa ba dzi shekresim na wodzi bowechi mo paya. Or you want the fault. See, let's appreciate some of these people doing philanthropic work because it takes a big heart to do that. Hey, obi oho yin papa po sika bekita ni nsem na mpo na adwena asesa. Obi wajije 40,000 Ghana cedis da bro. And you are now disgracing the person. Aba mami. When you me ya Harry Popo. Menyadam ma o chinabi. Mbufre wa abe mungu ama obi fufru hiamboa. They will take or put a blind eye on that. The musubani or wagana hai. We need to stop. When people help people, at the end of the day, we should stop these things. Mama, reja badze. Anye biya jana muframa no wonwa. Umo do birthday mpa sisi baba sesa adze mo hon. Onya fe, onya kondo. For what's the festival? Na nyim gwasa afo. Aba. Wanya na den na ambin. Na benyi bebre ba. Sabi and none of whom pun we will mother some yards and I wo. Obi, I am one boa. Jama one young one boa. And I say, Twins Diaries, when I'm from man who will sit down, will you see? Hey, mammy. Nanka waraba one name from one brav, Mankesim one nan to from one from Konogo. Boy, see, I'm even wondering why they don't have even their own, how do you call, what friend and then Land Cruisers now. Because some of the places they go, these boys, Obin Ponto Carl and Chawan, they've been on Anama Mac Brown shows. That should tell you there. Onuya TV knew that these guys are doing something right. Ame, Abu Sam Jem, Siwara Channel, Mezamano Esi, Twins Diary, Nyame Shamu. Now let not these things discourage you from the good things you do. Because we and Ghana in our followers, Ghana. I rest my case.